Dear students, today we are going to learn how to write an application for fee concession. So let's start. The Principal, British Public School, Islamabad. Subject: Request for fee concession. Sir, with respect, it is stated that my father is a poor man. He cannot pay my fee. I am very fond of reading. Therefore, kindly grant me full fee concession. I shall be very thankful to you for this act of kindness. Yours obediently. Roll number, date. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe Phys Education and hit the bell icon for early notifications.